Hello guys, welcome back to Zig, the programming guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to see your 2025 YouTube recap. So YouTube, I've started showing all the recaps of all the videos you watched in 2025. So how do you actually check that? All you need to do is look below your screen. You can see your profile right there. The U that is there, that's your profile, just in case you don't know. Click on that and wait for it to load. Your 2025 recap is here. So all you need to do is just click on that to actually see your 2025 recap. Right. So it's going to take some while to load in order to see that. But some people can't actually access this from their YouTube. So all you need to do is you have to go to your phone browser, right? Go to your Google or your Chrome, any browser, and search for youtube.com recap 2025. You can just leave there like this /recap. That's what will work faster. Click on that and it's going to load, right? You can see it here. So you can see it start working already. So if you try yours and it's not working, all you need to do is you have to go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and search for YouTube, right? YouTube, and see if your YouTube need an update. So mine does not need an update. So if yours need an update, go ahead to update the app. So if it doesn't work out, just know that it's not only you. A lot of people have been complaining about that too. So right, not here, sorry. Right, you can see it, YouTube recap not showing up. So they said YouTube recap is available worldwide, but your location will determine how quickly you can access the feature. So you just have to wait for yours to be rolled out and how quickly you can actually access that. So this actually helps to see yours. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.